In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to digitize customer orders in ClickUp. By the end, you'll have a simple, repeatable workflow that keeps every order organized, searchable, and easy to track from start to finish. We'll begin by creating a dedicated space for your orders. Go to the space where you manage your operations and click the option to add a new list. Name it Customer Orders, then create the list. Keeping orders in a single, clearly labeled list makes it easy to filter, sort, and report later. If you serve multiple product lines, you can create separate views inside the same list instead of scattering orders across different places. With your list ready, add your first order as a task. Click the plus icon to create a new task, type either the customer name or the order number, and press Enter. Choose a naming format you'll use consistently, like Order 12345, customer name. Consistency improves search results and helps teammates immediately recognize what they're looking at. Open the task and capture the details in the description. Add the items included, the quantity for each, the price, and any special notes such as delivery preferences or backorder information. Keep the description scannable with short lines and clear labels so anyone can understand the order at a glance. If you repeat the same structure often, save a simple text template you can paste in each time to stay fast and consistent. Now, track where the order stands using task statuses. Move it through New, then Processing, then Shipped, and finally Completed. Update the status as soon as something changes so your list or board view reflects reality. This gives you a quick way to see what needs attention today and helps your team prioritize. If an exception comes up, like an on-hold scenario, keep your main stages intact and leave a comment noting the situation and next steps. Finally, attach any supporting files so everything lives with the order. Inside the task, click Attach and upload receipts, order forms, proofs, or screenshots. Use clear file names and, if helpful, add a short note in the description or comments to explain what each file contains. Centralizing documents here prevents lost emails and makes handoffs smoother. That's the full flow. A dedicated list, one task per order, clear details, up-to-date statuses, and all files in one place. Over time, you can scale by duplicating tasks for repeat customers and using filters or views to build simple reports. And that's how you digitize customer orders in ClickUp. Quick and easy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.